Hello everyone, my name is Manal Abdulall. I teach AutoCAD and SolidWorks courses. I have a bachelor's degree in architectural, master's degree in instructional technology, doctorate degree in business administration information system, and I'm Autodesk certified professional in AutoCAD for design and drafting. My experience started in 1997 when I graduated with architect degree. I started using AutoCAD and teaching AutoCAD as well. So I used AutoCAD in engineering companies. Then I started teaching AutoCAD first time in 1997. Let's have an idea what's AutoCAD. AutoCAD is a 2D drafting and drawing. AutoCAD is the best software for engineering and started in the 80s. Since 80s till now, they are still using it, and it's the most important 2D drafting. AutoCAD users can create and edit technical engineering drawings, draft accurate designs, and document annotated drawings with text, dimension, leaders, and tables. AutoCAD is the best software for architects, drafters, engineering, designers, artists, and more. We do have two classes in AutoCAD, two levels. The first level, which is 32 hours, usually we finish the course in 1 month. You can check the website, of course, for more information about the schedule and how many hours. We do a lot of hands-on activities. I always have small classes, so I enjoy working with my students one-to-one. AutoCAD level 2 is only 16 hours. And also we continue working with hands-on activities and improve our skills with more advanced tools. Now the other course is SolidWorks, which I will talk about it in my second video. So please watch the second video to learn about SolidWorks 3D modeling class. Now let's get ready to talk about AutoCAD level 1, then AutoCAD level 2, and see what I teach in my class. In AutoCAD level 1 course, we're gonna learn how to use the draw and modify tools to create architectural, mechanical, and engineering drawings. During the course, we're gonna learn how to use the drawing tools like arc, circles, the modifying tools like fillet, chamfer, offset. We're gonna create layers with different line types. We're gonna annotate with measurement, text. So this is one of the examples we're gonna do in level 1. Also, we're gonna create a floor plan using several layers. I will introduce in this course several ways to draw the walls and insert blocks like doors, windows, and furniture. Besides layers and organizing the drawing, we're gonna create sections using the several AutoCAD tools. After sections, we're gonna create title blocks, insert text, insert dimension, and we create templates to use it later in other drawings. Apply hatch, finalize the drawing with the layout and with all annotation. Samples from the students' work. Now in level 2, we're gonna go over more advanced tools. We will also learn how to draw orthographic views in multi-view drawings. Apply strategies to draw double view and elevations correctly and accurately. And how to draw isometric view with dimensions and annotation, the correct way to apply dimensions. Students will complete several hands-on projects on isometric drawings to master the skills which is essential for engineering drawings. The parametric tools to understand the basic parametric modeling and apply the geometric and dimensional constraints manually and automatically. The students also in level 2 are gonna create dynamic blocks using several visibility states. As an example of dimensional constraint, this is one of the students' work, and we can change one dimension that all parts are related to one. We will learn how to create attributes and how we insert them, modify them. These attributes, you can use them for doors, windows, and any other part of the project. That will be easy to create schedules and count all objects. Thank you for watching. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us with any questions. Manal Abdulall.